1,000 ang population, pero nakuha nila ang 20% with the grace of God. We have been a poster last year. We have church-wide soul winning. We have hundreds of young people and adults winning souls for Jesus Christ every Saturday. Mga adults, we have 50 plus adults, young people. We have street preaching every Thursday, pero natigil yan dahil umulan at saka may building project. Yung mga full-time namin, tatrabaho. At sa harap ng merkado, we have island ministry. We have feeding program, pero kanto lang, okay naman sa ila. Kulang sa budget. Kawawa mga sa island, walang Baptist church. Hindi na karinig ng gospel. Kaya nakakawa kahit maalon, kahit mahirap sa amin. But we will there and preach the gospel. Kaya, ang mga adults nakikinig, I'm preaching that, and then, praise God. Hanggang Masbate, hanggang Masbate. 4 hours, may pambot. Fishers of men. We have jail ministry. That's the way how we start mission. Tinutulungan muna. Hindi na yung ginagawa yun ng mga churches. Dati, 1980s, may mga evangelistic crusade. Hindi mabibuild ng mga churches. Ngayon, wala na. Sayang. We have the sources, we have the facilidad. We have the extension church in a company. Almost 60 plus baptized already. And we have 5 local foreign mission in Bingaw and Iloilo. Yan nasa Bingawan. Yan ang Bunaw, mga bago yan. Salamat po Sir Benny sa partnership. Yung sa Kalibak na, nabibigyan sila ng Pastor Ali. Pupunta nila Iloilo, established already. Yung kanang building. Walang support yan ha, ay sana. Yan ang sa tapas. Pila yung pastor. Andito pa yung asawa. Pero nakuha nila 20% sa population. We have nabasak lang, batan. Andito siya ngayon. We have in Banati. We have in Masbate, also, Pastor Jason nandito. And then we have in Pasig, my son-in-law. 5 na ka-business nag-transfer. Yun ang mahirap sa Baptist. Ayan siya, anak yung babae. We have in Haro, Iloilo City. Kahit kunti, pero patuloy pa rin. We have from Mandaon, Masbate. Marapit na. We have the work in Nabasaklan. Lapit sa Boracay. I've been there last Sunday. That is there. We have in Taiwan. And we need to start another one in Hsinchu, Taiwan. 3 hours by train going there. And we start to work. We have a second anniversary last March. We've been in Africa with Pastor Poros, his family, and thank God. Kaya natin na sinasabi. We have in Liberia, Africa. Ito sinabi ni Pastor na pumunta dito. May girlfriend ka na niya o saan? Sa Rubas. Wala pa lang yung mga single pa rin. We have another one family, Villar family. Also, ito pala kabuan. Nag-separate sila sa kagay Pastor Villar kay Julian Nieves and they start their own 30 minutes drive. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pastor Ardel Sola. Shall we all stand up, please? As we welcome to our pulpit, the Patriarch of MBBE, Ecclesiastic Ministries, and our conference host, Dr. Benny and Marami.
Kaibigan maging politiko. Wala